The hair dryer is the exactly what I want. It makes my hair nice and dry. And does not make a big sound. I love it. The product looks nice. Used a no of times and no problem in handling and power. You can handle easily with one hand. The extra button can be control the temperature not being too high. It just not make my hair burn out. I love this dryer so much. Strong power and negative ion. Less damage on my hair. I can adjust 3 temperature modes and 2 speed modes. It comes with diffuser so that you can apply to curl hair. Gifted this hair dryer to my wife and she really loves it. It is easy to carry around as it is lightweight and also has a good power making hair dry in seconds. Worth the money. 5-star. This hair dryer is quieter than my old one and my hair feels more silky and less frizzy after drying with this one too. I really like the size of this too. It's a little smaller than my old hair dryer and feels more ergonomic as well. I was amazed by this hair dryer. It's a powerful, easy to use hair dryer that really dries my hair fast. It really gets the job done and it's very stylish and easy to handle. I definitely recommend this hair dryer. Works exactly as it should. Pros. Really cool colors and design on it, works great, has 2 attachments which is great. Cons. Only has 2 speeds. Teenager likes it so I can't complain as long as she's happy with it. It's an average size hair dryer so I am not sure why I need to rate if it's good for travel. The way I look at it is if you love your hair dryer and don't want to use a hotel one then you make room for it when traveling. I already have the Conair Dryer 1875. It was so loud. However, this dryer is less loud compared to my original one. Also, I felt the drying power of this is more powerful even though both of them are the same power, 1875W. I like the control buttons. Those are easy to use and control. Which I like strong drying power. I have mid-length hair and it takes around 8 minutes to dry my hair, control button. Easy to change options. Less loud than my current dryer, Conair 1875W. Which I dislike none, so far so good. Click link in description for more reviews.